Hello and welcome to Pandora FMS. In today's video, we'll see how to perform basic monitoring on computers with Linux operating systems. We will start from the point of having an installed and functional Pandora FMS environment. You may see in the description several videos focused on how to perform Pandora FMS server online installation and how to make use of the alerts. But in this video, we'll guide you to monitor those computers that allow you to install the software agent for the Linux operating system. First off, install the online software agent on the Linux computer that you wish to monitor as follows. First, launch the following commands for dependency installation. Once finished, proceed with the installation of the software agent with the following command. Once you have the software agent installed, configure it to point to your Pandora FMS server through the server_IP parameter and enable remote configuration by changing the value of the remote_configuration parameter to 1. If you wish, you may also make it part of a certain group if you indicate it in the parameter group, which by default indicates the group servers. Once you modify everything, save the changes and start the software agent with etc init.d Pandora_agent_daemon start. Once it's started, you may see it appears in the console of your Pandora FMS server in the Resources Manage Agents section. If you access the main view or model view, you may see what information is obtained by default by the software agent on Linux systems, such as the use of CPU, RAM, and disk space. In addition, you may enable the inventory plugin by accessing the agent plugin view. You will see that it appears under the name inventory with the parameters already configured, although it will be disabled, so click on the bulb icon to enable it. Wait for the next agent interval or manually restart it to report the relevant inventory data. To see this inventory data, you may do so either from the Monitoring Inventory section or from the specific agent's inventory view. Next, you will quickly see how to add or create alerts for this new agent. Go to the Alerts Alert List section and click Create. Select the agent, the module you wish, for example host live, and add mail action to the administrator with a critical condition template so that when the host live module is in critical status, the alert is activated. This is just an example of an alert that is usually configured in any environment, but it is not the only option. If you want to better understand how the alert system works in Pandora FMS and the options it provides you with, you may watch some of our videos devoted to that in this channel. And finally, you will see the local components that are already predefined and how to create a module from them. To see them, go to Settings, Templates, Local Components. If you want, filter by operating system and thus see only the local components for Linux. If you want to create modules from these local components, go to the Modules section of your agent, create a new data server module and select the Linux local component. Existing components will be listed and you may select any of them. Click Create and wait for the next agent interval or restart it manually to check the result. And that was it for today's video. Don't forget it, if you liked the video, smile, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Any suggestions, questions or ideas, please leave them in the comments below. Remember that if you're interested in trying Pandora FMS Enterprise, you may contact us to get a free 30-day trial. Thank you very much for your time and we hope to see you on social media and in future learning videos.